Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to create and set up a Telegram wallet. First, download and install the Telegram app on your mobile device or desktop. You can find it on the App Store for iOS devices, Google Play Store for Android devices, or directly from Telegram's official website for desktop versions. If you're new to Telegram, open the app and sign up by entering your phone number and name. If you already have an account, simply log in with your existing credentials. To create a wallet, you will need to interact with the @wallet bot, which Telegram uses to facilitate cryptocurrency wallets. Start by tapping the search icon at the top right corner of the app and typing @wallet into the search bar. From the search results, select the @wallet bot. Then tap the Start button at the bottom of the chat to begin interacting with the bot. Once you've started the bot, you will be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions. Take the checkbox and tap Continue to accept. After that, tap on Let's Go to complete the wallet setup process. Keep in mind that your newly created wallet can store cryptocurrency, but you will need to complete KYC registration before you can send assets. To ensure your wallet is secure, it's important to set a passcode. Then, go to the wallet menu by tapping the gear icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then select Passcode, tap on Enable Passcode, and enter a 4-digit passcode to protect your wallet. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.